So just aim 2 inches down and left.
Yeah.
From where you want to hit.
Alright, 50 yards, M2 ball.
So basically aim for the S. Or the T.
30-06. Fire when ready. Holy shit. You did not get penetration.
Looks like I hit where I was aiming at, though.
But you didn't get penetration.
I know.
What she said.
Holy fuck. That did less defamation than the 308.
It's right on the G.
Nice. Put another one in it. Go ahead and measure the defamation.
It's like 994. Not even an inch.
Nice. Alright, well screw it. Let's just not even worry about the clay much anymore and just tag it again.
2.88. Yeah, about the same, 2.88.
Alright, can you put it right on top of it?
Up to you.
30-06 M2. Second shot, 50 foot. Fire when ready. I think you went through.
Yeah, it doesn't look good.
I see a hole.
Alright. I'm going, shoot. It's like, I think you're missing the target. Just bounce them off the hood.
That is a penetration. Oh! Hello.
Did not penetrate the clay.
Did not penetrate the clay?
Nope.
Well, the
All
clay...
energy
That's
spent
good
in
to
the
know.
body.
So it'd still be inside you.
Yeah.
No, the clay is twice more dense than a human body, so it went through.
That's our failure point.
Yep. Try one more shot next to... Because you
Look here.
hit...
That was exactly on top of one of the other ones.
Yeah, you hit right on top of another 308.
Yeah.
I mean, dead on. Try coming over here and tagging...
But either way, 308 is less than this one. So 2 of these together goes through.
Yeah. Well, if we hit over here in a tight group near this to see how it will hold up. One more shot. Okay. Second try. Third shot, 30-06 M2 ball. So far, 1 penetration, 1 deflection. Fire when ready. Ooh! Well, didn't go through. That hole was from a previous shot that did penetrate. This is the impact of the third round. Well, I'm happy.
Yeah, that was the first one.
This was the first one, that was the second one.
That's the first one.
You sure?
That's the second.
Oh! Yeah, right over the G. Okay, never mind. That was the second one. Alright.